to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a DIY and I'm gonna show you how I redid all the picture frames that we had used in our old house so that they would match better with the colors of the decor that I did in the new house. So let me show you what we're gonna do. Okay, so I already showed you the old picture frames. Now I'm gonna take you guys into my craft closet slash decor closet slash kind of my catch-all of everything. And we're gonna get our paint and get everything out. And then once I have everything out on the counter, we will start painting. The first thing I'm going to do is take my old picture frames apart and I'm going to wipe them down really good just because they were kind of dusty from the move. And then once they're all wiped down, we will pick out the paint we're going to use.
You're fearless, steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breath.
So this paint that I'm using is a little bit old, and as you can see, I'm struggling to get it open. So I used some hot water and a screwdriver, and I was finally able to get it off. So let's go ahead and start painting.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh.
While we're painting, I just wanted to share with you that this is a big way that I was able to save money when I wanted to change all the colors in our house, because I really love pictures of the family all around, and I had so many picture frames and I didn't have the heart to get rid of them all, so I just decided one day, you know what, I'm gonna paint them all. And honestly, it was the best thing that I did, because everybody that sees them compliments them and asks me where I got them from, and when I tell them that I painted them, they're like, wow. So not only does it save you money, people will be pretty impressed that you did it yourself.
In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh. I wanna be right there by your side.
I am using chalk paint to cover these picture frames, and I love chalk paint. I use it all the time for so many different projects. When we did move, I also used it to redo our entertainment center and our desk, and I used the Bear brand from Home Depot, and you can have it done to any color that you want, and then I did the dark wax over it. Oh my gosh, you can't even tell that it's the same furniture. So I highly recommend chalk paint whenever you're trying to do any sort of redecorating but don't want to get rid of what you already have.
Photos caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut this
Now that we finished the first coat, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into doing the second coat, because the other awesome thing about chalk paint is it dries really fast. So you can somewhat keep moving with your project and get it done usually fairly quickly.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
So I didn't do a second coat on the back because no one's really going to see the back. I just wanted it covered enough that if for some reason somebody caught a glimpse of the back, it looked like it was painted. But it's totally up to you. You can completely do the back as well if you're going to have it in a place that you can see the back and the front. Hey guys, so I just got back from picking up the kids from school. So these are perfectly dry now. So I'm going to put this next color on. So let's do that.
You're my only lifeline.
This metallic color is going to give them somewhat of a pearl finish. And then I am going to go over it with some brown to give it a rusticy feel once this dries. My plan for these pictures is I have a table in our entryway that I've been slowly decorating, and the bottom shelf is still empty, and I've been wanting to add more pictures, but I just hadn't gotten around to painting them and then printing pictures. So I'm super excited to be getting this done this week and sharing it with you guys. And I hope you guys are really liking it too. If you are, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Okay, well, while those are drying, let's order the pictures that I'm gonna go ahead and put in those two frames. And then I also have a frame in my bathroom that our daughter-in-law gave us from our trip. So I wanna get a picture for that too. So let's do that. Okay, so I am on Walgreens.com. I logged into my account on the photo part of this website. This is the website that I use all the time just to print our photos. I like it because it's quick. You can usually get your pictures within an hour, which that works for me. And then you can fill your frames and be done with your project. Okay, now we just have to pick which one we want for which size. So I need an 8x10, a 5x7, and a 4x6. So I know this one I want as an 8x10. All right. Let's proceed to cart. We'll get these paid for, and then we will move on to finishing painting our picture frames.
Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel.
I'm adding a little bit of brown over them to give them that rusticy feel, which I just literally dab my brush where there's barely any paint and just kind of swish it over it, and until you like it, like either more, less, whatever your feeling looks better on your frame. While we finished painting the project, My husband came home with the pictures, so I popped them in the frame so that I was able to give you guys a nice after shot and show you the table in the entryway that I was talking about that I wanted to finish off.
And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like.
Now that we got these pictures all placed, I want to share an awesome recipe with you guys for a baked oatmeal with blueberries and almonds. It's so good.
Anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Oh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger.
If you decide you do want to try this recipe at home, I'm going to put it in the description so that way it's easier to follow it step by step.
You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all.
I am putting all the dry ingredients in one bowl to start off, and then all the wet ingredients go in another bowl. And oops, forgot the salt. So let's add that in there and jump back to the wet ingredients. And I'm going to put those in and add it to my standing mixer and let all of those start mixing up.
Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what
If you guys are in the market for a cool kitchen gadget, I highly recommend a standing mixer for your kitchen. This one is the one by KitchenAid, and I love it. I use it probably 2 to 3 times a week. My mom surprised me one year for Mother's Day or my birthday, and I have been using it ever since.
go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like
Now that everything is mixed up, let's line our cupcake pan, and you're going to scoop pretty decent sized scoops into these each cupcake holder. They don't rise, so you want to fill them to the top.
get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only because it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you.
Now that you have those all filled up, I just wipe off the excess stuff, and now I'm preheating my oven to 350, which I should have done this at the beginning, but I forgot. So I'm doing it now, and then I'm going to top off all of these with just a little bit of extra blueberries and almonds and cinnamon before they go in the oven. While I'm waiting for the oven to preheat and while these are going to bake, I decided I needed to get my kitchen put back together because I made quite the mess while I was making these baked oatmeal cups.
Just go ahead, go and catch me, baby. I live it. That's my tune. I love it. Crank it up, yeah.
Whenever I'm done cooking, I always clean my kitchen right away. It's just my thing. I don't like food sitting around. I don't like the smell of old food. So once I'm done, I just clean it up. That way the kitchen's ready for the next time I need to use it. The oven was done preheating, so I'm going to put these in and then finish cleaning the kitchen.
Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Now those oatmeal cups will cook for 30 minutes, and that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you back here in a couple days with a brand new video. And I really, really hope you try those oatmeal cups because they are delicious.